Days after Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi visited the landslide hit area, Thiruvananthapuram MP Shashi Tharoor also inspected the site at Wayanad. Here's a report.
No, I mean, government has been doing whatever they can, and so have all the volunteers, including the people from the area itself.
Yeah.
It's a tragic situation. I just brought a couple of truckloads of assistance from Thiruvananthapuram. The people are all anxious to help everywhere in Kerala. And though I understand that food supplies are plentiful in the area, there are other needs. For example, the homeless are sleeping on the floor, and for that they need not sort of full mattresses, but sort of spongy, soft bedrolls to put on the floor that they can sleep on. We've got a whole bunch of those, other kinds of supplies like that. But the challenges are enormous. First of all, they're still finding bodies. I think it's unlikely to find any live people now, which means that the death toll will keep going up as they find more bodies. There's still a couple of hundred people missing. On top of that, there are larger challenges. The relief camps are mainly in schools, but the schools have to reopen soon. So we need to make arrangements to relocate people into rented or other kinds of accommodation, and then plan their long-term rehabilitation, building houses and so on for them. But though their lives have been saved, what do we do about their livelihoods? Because they are all people who lived here in the farms and the plantations. It's going to be an enormous human challenge. And then the orphans, those who have lost both parents, they need to be taken care of. Their education is going to be a predominant concern. These are some of the things I'm thinking about.
So meanwhile, there's a little bit of a political debate as well, whether the centre had informed the state and the state didn't take necessary precautions when the the weather went bad. Is that something that you?
I don't want to get into the politics of it now. I think both sides have spoken for themselves. As you say, the centre has said they've done certain things, and the state says that the information given was not adequate.
Malayalam actor Mohanlal also visited the battered region and made donations to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Here's a report.
He has been given the position of Lieutenant Colonel as well here in the Indian Army. We are also told that he also owns a little bit of property around here in Mundukai and Suramana around that. He just was at that location now, of course, here to brief the media in just a while from now. And while, of course, we're looking at a lot of people from politicians to, even actors now paying a visit here. We should note that on one hand, of course, there is a devastation. On the other, the people here are only hoping that there is, enough support that they get in terms of rehabilitation at this point in time. Various announcements have been made by politicians when they come here. Some of the actors have also donated to the Chief Minister's Relief Fund. Let me take you through the situation here while, of course, the rescue operations continue. Right now, it has been changed into various phases. Up until now, it was predominantly around the area where the homes were. But now you can see earth movers operating by the river, because through these boulders, through the debris here, many of the people were washed away downstream. So that is where these teams right now that you're seeing are operating at. They are trying to clear up some of the debris around the river to see if there is a possibility that they could find anybody under the rubble there. So it's an extensive operation, and right now it's predominantly search, because the time for rescue is nearly over, and right now it will be only a miracle if they find anybody alive under the rubble. And more importantly, even downstream, about 20 to 30 kilometers, there are teams that continue to operate, and they will do so because about 100 bodies were found in a neighboring district.
Now, a TMC delegation also visited the landslide hit town and assured them of all support. So clearly, Kerala continues to deal with the aftermath of landslides that have absolutely wrecked the Wayanad region at this point. But